Does your patio or pool area need a facelift? Kwik Kerb has the perfect solution. By applying a rubber overlay, you are guaranteed a beautiful, easy-to-maintain surface.
Anywhere that you have a surface that you want to add a little bit of color to, you want to hide some cracks, but yet have a very durable, easy to maintain anti-slip surface, is a great place to put this overlay.
A lot of Will's processes were done digitally so that we could see what the landscaping was going to look like. That helped us tremendously. It was a simple process. Everything went smooth from start to finish. The team did an amazing job.
Get started now with a free, no-obligation quote. Give Kwik Kerb a call, visit their website, or stop into their showroom to check out the many rubber overlay options available for your project.